while you're here, Susan seemed to feel that you could go.
So if you can.
Oh, yeah, wow.
There's only the flood.
FM 1043, congratulations.
I'm gonna get on the roof and I'm gonna put the cable through the vent.
I don't let anybody use wipes or anything in this house.
Right, I don't know what do you think that is?
You didn't clear all the debris yet?
Well, no, not yet.
Alright.
But it's all going down.
It's all good?
Yeah.
Alright.